Hey, what's up, Tinkles? Welcome back again to our channel. Once again, this is Tang, your ordinary Filipino. And for today's video, I will talk about what makes Filipino unique. So before you continue to watch this video, let me ask you a question. What makes a Filipino unique for you? Or let me rephrase it. What makes your Filipino unique? Why you really fall in love with a Filipina? Because of their natural beauty, because of having a long hair, black color skin. What do you think? For me, Tinkles, what makes Filipino unique is that we are being hospitable, hospitality. Because we Filipinos, we really welcome visitors, or we really welcome them with a good, you know, with a good looking. Oh no, for sure we welcome them very from our hearts, that um even our hidden plates, hidden blanket, hidden bed sheets, hidden pillowcases as hiding in a box, our parents is really put it out faster just to let the visitors feel at home. We always use old stuff, but then if there is visitors, wow, all is new. The 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 glass pitcher, the glass plates, the glass what's that? Everything is new, and we really welcomed you. We prepare foods for you. We always tell, oh, please don't be shy, just feel at home here, because we really, that is really part of our culture, or that is really part of ourselves, that how we act to people, even we don't even know that person, or we don't even really know you personally. You're just a friend of one of our relatives or something, how you really connected to our relatives, but we really welcomed you very well, because that is how Filipino act. We are really hospitable for everyone. The next is strong family ties. It's for sure, we Filipinos really have faith to each other for our families. We are also have that so-called extended family, living in one house, from your auntie, from your tita, from your grandparents are living there, and your tita is already married, and then they also live in one house. Wow, yes, it's such a very big family. There are maybe five families in one house. Yeah, that's too much for sure. But here in the Philippines, somehow it's really natural for us, because this is how we love our family. We valued our family. You can change your husband, your wife, but your family, you cannot. You cannot change them, because no matter what, your family is always be your family. In other country, I guess, if you already have old members in the family, your grandparents, you will faster send them into the retirement home. If you have an old member in the family, we will be the one to take care of you until your last breath, because that is how family for us. Why we will send them to retirement homes, so that and nobody not related family will take care of her or of him? For sure not. We don't have such attitude like that, because we prefer to take care for our family, because we love them. They are our family. So why we trust other people to do that? So that's why we always have the strong ties of family. So I bet that's why you also married to decide. I guess that's why you decide to marry a Filipina, because also of that unique attitude or personality or characteristic of a person that you cannot find maybe in your country. Correct me if I'm wrong, Tinkles. The next one is resilience. Yes, of course, we Filipinos are known to have the ability to adapt things easily, you know. Yeah, even in a very hardest situation, we always find ways to solve this problem, you know. There are some moms who work abroad just to provide the needs of their kids, and then there's so many challenges that they will be encounter, but there's no one they can lend on because they're far away from their family, you know, Tinkle. So we have the ability to face the challenges alone for ourselves. You know, even the hardest part of it, you know, that feeling now we really cannot speak English. We don't have such, especially if you will meet our parents, grandparents, they really cannot talk English. But if you talk English, somehow they can understand you. And for that, they can talk to you also in English. Even it's really hard for them, but the challenges to speak, we really, you know, try our best to face that obstacle because we are a Filipino. That is how people knows about Filipino. That is why that makes Filipino unique. The next is Filipino loves for celebration, you know. There are some moment tinkles that even we have no money, we really into that celebration. Even a small celebration, it's really meaningful for us. Just to sit on the table, having a karaoke with your family and with, you know, with the birthdays, fiestas. Oh my god, you really can see how people love celebration here in the Philippines or the Filipino because even a single success, everyone will celebrate faster. Oh my god, you pass your exam, your board exams, everything. Wow. The faster celebrate, invite people. This is just a small salo-salo or like just bodol fight, you know. And that was, you know, Filipinos is really into celebration. So it's up also for you, Tinkles, if you want to join them in such celebration, or you only want to stay in the side because you don't want also to enjoy, you only watch them like that. So it depends on you how you socialize also the family of your Filipina, because if you're really into that, then it might you can also enjoy. That's it, because Filipinos are really love, they really have the vibrant of the festivals, sinolog, and everything, you know the the sinolog in Cebu, and also different, there's so many celebrations that you can also adapt on, and you can also what you call that, enjoy it. So you might try it. The next is adaptability. Filipinos are really fast to adapt a new environment. For if if you wondered if you will bring your Filipina into your country, and then maybe you're faster, wow, she faster influence this like that. Maybe because that is part of us that we can really easily adapt. And you faster tell, oh, my Filipina faster change when I bring her in our country, everything blah blah blah, you make issue, even that is really part of us, that it is really us to adapt faster, our to adapt faster into a new environment, because we need to, because if we act like we are still from living in a, you know, hinterlands, in a mountain, and then you are in the city, in a big city or different country, and then you want us to adapt. So for sure, for sure we also want to put ourselves that we are into that situation, you know, Tinkles. Do you know what I mean? You foster tell, oh my god, my Filipina foster change when I bring her in our country. Oh no, that's a very dramatic. uh, I don't like that, because we Filipinos are able to adapt. But I don't know, for me, I really cannot adapt foods. I'm really into Filipino foods. But for socializing people, or I will really fit in myself for that, Tingles, don't blame your Filipina, or don't make say that your Filipina foster change, because we need to adapt the new life that we entered, because it is really obvious that if you will bring your Filipina in your country, for sure she will also adopt the way how people live in that place, because what do you think that we will gonna do? You think we will gonna still do like we're living in a hinterland, but we are already in a big cities? That's not that's that's a no-go, so don't make such so much don't make so much issue about that. But if it's over, it looks like you really notice everything is changing, even how he treat you, how she treat you. If that is also change, that's a red flag na, I guess, right? Thank you so much, Tinkles, for watching this video. I hope you considered to like and comment, and maybe to subscribe if you don't mind. Bye bye.